Ocean future.
My name is Endre. I've started sailing at the age of 19, and since then I'm sailing various type of boats and going more and more into sailing life.
My name is Anett, and I started to be familiar with sailing when I met Endre, which was about 20 years ago.
So we are participating now the Arc Plus, followed by the World Arc, meaning that from Las Palmas we sail first to Cabo Verde, from Cabo Verde to Grenada, and from Grenada around the world. And the reason why we have chosen this kind of setup instead of solo and sailing with the Arc community is clearly safety. And we wanted to have something what gives us the confidence and also the knowledge, and also everything that something happens, something bad happens, then there is someone we can turn to. For me, sailing around the world it's becoming true. First of all, it's been a dream of mine for 16 years. So it's a very emotional. It's very difficult to talk about it, what it really means. I really don't know what to expect. What I can say, I'm ready. I feel myself ready for that. And let's see how this whole things unfold. I'm super excited.
So for me, there are a lot of ambivalent feelings. From one hand, because it's really unknown what will happen and some uncertainties. So I have some fears. But on the other hand, I'm sure it's going to be the biggest adventure of us. The nature, the ocean. I think it's going to be a dream which was completed. Super happy mindset.
There are going to be multiple setup, different people on board. For the crossing, we're going to start with 4 boys. And after that, Anett will be part of the crew full time. Finally, and in the first one with Adam, who is the co-owner of the boat, we're gonna sail it through the other part of the ocean. We have very strict rules, watch system, who is working at the galley, who is responsible for the sail trimming, who is responsible for the methodology. So we took it very seriously because it's a very fast boat. So we want to sail it fast as much as possible for the first leg. And after that, we are more focused on, just enjoying cooking and enjoying the life afterwards. Am I right?
Yes, completely.
Cruising around the world requires a serious prep. But the whole starts with the boat. The reason why I selected Windelo is because of it was ticking all the boxes for safety. When it comes to the structure, the design, the forward-looking cockpit, the solar panels, everything. And we have an amazing sail set for downward sailing, also for upward sailing, and we have already tested it and tried it for a year. And we can say that having a fast boat is super important in terms of safety. So I've been coming to Las Palmas from Cannes. So on the way there, we did certain things already, kind of a sea trial. But as we arrived, I wanted to go through once again all the important parts of the boat. So climbing the mast, checking the rigs, checking that everything is all right on the top. We were also checking the sails, so we opened all the sail bags, we hoisted all the downwind sails, check everything is all right with the material, with the lines. And luckily it was, we were not only by ourselves doing all these things, because the Windelo team was around for many days, helping us with the rigging, with the sails, with checking all these equipment together. And now we can say with confidence that we did everything, so it's time to leave.
The art for me means that meeting with a lot of people, like-minded people, I can collect a lot of best practices about sailing and provisioning and everything. What does it mean crossing the ocean and going around the world? And I do love the lots of social events when we can have fun together. I really enjoy it. And afterwards, in the last couple of days, we had plenty of seminars. They were so useful, practical, and I think we learned a lot, at least from my side.
From the ARC seminars, what I received a very important kind of additional benefit, if I may say so, that I think it got involved you into sailing, because there were so many practical things which were not only about the sailing, the sails, methodology, all these kind of things. I had never seen any life raft in my life. I mean launched. So it was extremely good. Also, we tried out the flares, how to operate a flare if it's needed. But also about, the provisioning, the medicines. And I think this is where when I felt, I wouldn't say first time, but I felt it very, very well that you are getting involved into that. Wasn't it like
Yeah, of course. So regarding the provisioning, we had a seminar and I also collected some best practices from other sailors. So now we ordered everything what we need for at least for a year. For me, this whole adventure means so much different lifestyle.
We have plenty of ideas, both in sailing or outside of sailing. We will see, but finally we're going to have time. We're going to have time to figure out what to do, but we shouldn't be afraid of being bored at all.
Yeah.
So off record, of course, because now we are off record. I really would like to say thank you to the Windelo team. So guys, you made an amazing job. The whole story started, I think, with you then, and with Stefan. I don't know how many years ago when we were sailing zigzag in the air, and I will never forget all these kind of interactions we had together and with each other. So it was, even so far, it was an amazing journey. It's not the end of the journey. It's only the beginning, and truly appreciated that we could always trust that there is somebody behind. ARC is one thing, very important, but ARC is an organization. You are a company. You are a kind of part of our family life. We can say that because the kids were here. So thank you.
Thank you.